Our book today is What is Inside This Box? Hello, monkey. Hello, cake. What do you have? I have a box. It is a big box. It is a big box. What is in it? A kitty cat? A kitty cat is inside the box? Oh, I love kitty cats. Can I see it? No, you cannot. It is a magic cat. Why can't I see the magic cat? Because the cat disappears when I open the box. So when you open the box, there's no cat inside? Yes. And when you close the box, there is a cat inside? Yes, when I open the box, there is no cat, but when I close the box again, the cat is back in the box. How do you know there is a cat in the box when it is closed? How do you know there is not a cat in the box when it is closed? I don't think there is a cat inside when the box is closed. Why not? I think that there is no cat in the box when it is open, and when you close the box, there is still no cat inside it. You can think anything you want about what is inside the box when it is closed. I can? Yes, you can. Then I think there is a dinosaur in the box when it is closed. You do? Can I see it? No, it is a magical dinosaur. And when you open the box, it disappears. I still think it is a cat. And I think it is a dinosaur. Well, we will never know. You are right, we will never know.